Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today Wayne, the owner of the boat, is gonna show us around. So open your eyes guys, because this boat is pretty awesome.
Hello Izzy, this is the new hardtop that we've put on, and basically it's got a sunroof that slide back. We've got a sunroof here that slides back like the Batman roof, you know, one on each side for the steering, and it slides back over the top, and then the one big panel slides back, and then here we have another sunroof that slides back over the top and hides back here, so we can see the stars, we can see the sails, and we can you know, have a great time sitting down and all the rest of it. So the sunroofs are up there. We have Skiffy, our new boom. So this Skiffy flies, Isabel.
Really?
Yeah.
What do you mean it's flying?
Well, he flies. We have wings, yeah? So this is the latest in technology. I've designed and constructed them, you know, to be perfect for us. So this is an 18-foot skiff. It's the old Bundy Run race boat out of Sydney. It's a pretty famous boat back in the day, and I've made these hydrofoils up. So basically the boat sails with this much of the wing in the water, and the hull leans over, so it just sits with this in the water and the rudders on the back, and just literally flies over the top of the water like the Amorca 60 boats, yeah?
Oh my gosh,
like,
I can't wait to see that flying!
Yeah, absolutely awesome. Hugo Boss was the inspiration. That guy is absolutely fantastic, yeah?
Oh my gosh.
And then Skiffy's also got a false floor in him, and it's a 4 to 6 person bed up there, and you can lay up there and stargaze and really enjoy the view that you get from up there. It's got, so the floor's about here, and there's just enough room so that the girls can lay without the top on and they're in full privacy, yeah? So
nice!
Fantastic. So that's the Skiffy, and then we have our new hardtop. You can see from here the sunroofs that slide back. These pieces here slide back, and then there's a big acrylic sheet clear screen that goes in the front, yeah? So we can pull it back to keep out of the rain, or we can pull it forward to keep out of the rain, or pull it back to enjoy the views of the sails. So we're putting all new non-skid down on the decks. All new windows are going in.
Yeah?
Yeah, and I'll just spin you around again. Come over this side and have a look. So at the front we have our
two nets.
Yeah, two nets, two double beds at the front, which are absolutely the coolest place to sit, you know. That's not a hard deck that hurts. We've got a really tightly woven netting, so you can put your champagne glass on them, and you don't spill. So if we come, I'll show you something top secret, yeah? This is the first boat ever that had stabilising rudder foils. Charlie's got wings too.
Wow, so, whereabouts?
So if you go up the front and then film back underneath, you'll see the top of the wings, yeah? See the little thing sticking out on the waterline there?
Oh yeah, I can see it.
Yeah, well that's the top of the wing. So in the front, Izzy, we have lockers, yeah? We have 3 lockers, and I'll just show you what's inside the lockers. In the first locker we have our locker, we have the washing machine, which you access from the bathroom. Okay. Yeah, and then we have our long-range freezer, which is full of all the food and frozen stuff. Okay. And then we have our battery bank underneath there, the batteries, and the holding tank for the water treatment for the toilet. On the other side we have the non-skid. We have another locker. So this is another freezer. So this freezer is getting turns around, goes through the wall, and then we access the door from inside the boat. But it's a little bit more work that needs to be done, and that gives us, with our refrigeration downstairs and these two, it's 400 litres of fridge and freezer we have, yeah? Oh my gosh. So we have plenty of food on board, yeah? Nice,
so we can go for long trips.
Long trips. Woohoo,
Captain, be careful.
Yeah, it's slippery, yeah? Okay, come around the side. Okay, so this is, these are the sunroofs up here. Yes. Now they're just temporarily sitting here at the moment.
Why the boat is moving like that? It's not dangerous?
No, it's okay.
How come it's moving?
Because it's the boom of the boat, yeah?
How come?
Oh well.
How did you do that, Captain?
So it moves, and then we have a little track attaches on here. I'm going to put non-skid on here.
Nice.
We've got a couple of wind turbines on the back.
That's really like pirates.
Yeah. It's like Waterworld, yeah?
And they're not noisy, that's why you choose those ones.
Yeah, no noise at all, no vibration, yeah?
Okay.
We custom mounted them.
Nice.
They're specially done, yeah?
Nice.
So I'll come back down again, walk the plank. All new deck hardware. So we've reinforced all the deck to take the new hardware that we have. Yeah? And then come back down here and you can see how the shape and the style on there.
Oh yeah, it's really beautiful. Huh? Like here it's blue because you're gonna put some unskid.
So basically the tape comes off. This is the shiny paint part here. The blue comes off and then we put non-skid in this area so we can walk up here without slipping.
Okay.
Yeah, because the decks are really slippery at the moment.
Oh yes.
Just undercoated, yeah?
Okay.
So that's okay. And then, yeah, so solid.
Here we have my luggage.
Yeah, it's your baggage. Give us your hand. Okay, so to get an idea of the cockpit, how it looks. So come inside. So, Izzy, we have the ship's cat, Sparrow.
Sparrow!
We call her Jackie Sparrow, the pirate cat. And she's fat, but we call her Sparrow because, look, she's Sparrow on her chest. You see that?
That's amazing.
Yes, she's a lovely cat. She never goes off the boat.
No?
No, she's a good addition, Izzy.
So how old is she?
Oh, I think she's been here maybe 5 years.
Okay.
I think she'll be like you, Izzy. She'll be here for a long time and have a lot of fun, yeah?
So
okay,
she's gonna be my next partner, my new friend.
Your new friend. So come on inside.
Yeah.
Okay, so basically we have the lounge area is up here. Where you're looking down on the port side forward is the toilet and shower. We have a navigation station in the middle, and then after we have a double cabin. Port side, and on the starboard side we have the galley. The galley is quite long, it goes into the forward section as well, and then after we have a double bed. So we have your port side.
Nice.
Yeah, it's quite nice, quite comfy, quite airy. We've got we take the windows on and off. So the windows are on at the moment because it was going to rain the other day. They'll come off, and then we can sand outside. That's why the plastic's on the inside so the dust doesn't get in. Yeah, and then we've taken all the hood, the lining off, the leather that used to be on here. We've straightened it all up again and ready to finish the inside. So the inside is being refitted as well.
Okay.
So lots of work. lots and lots of work. Come down into the kitchen, yeah? So that'll be your room, Izzy.
Okay.
Go and have a quick look.
Yes.
We should be using that. Okay, so that's your room. Forward into the galley. So we have freezer, fridge. We have our bachelor pad kitchen. So we have our sink, our garbage disposal, our pots and pans. The best thing about Mangrove Charlie, Isabel, is you can see right out across into the lounge room and communicate with everybody in the lounge room while you're doing while I'm doing the cooking or the dishes. The dishes live in here, so we don't have to clean the dishes up. The other great thing is most people like the kitchen to be where the lounge room is, and the lounge room's a little bit smaller, but because we have such big windows on the side, you don't feel like you're down in the hull. And because the floor level and the floor level on the underwing is similar, you feel like you're with the, in the bridge deck anyway. So the view is 7 meters from side to side, you get to see, and it's 3 meters front to back. So it's quite a large area. And then forward of that we have most of the smell with the kitchen, your 4-burner, gas stove, storage, food storage underneath, oven, herbs. I like my cooking. Have a quick look at my herbs. So I really do enjoy cooking. Yeah.
Oh my god.
Yeah,
that's a lot.
Yeah. And we put the stove at the front, and we put the toilet at the front, at the bow of the boat, because a boat circulates air from the back and out the front, from the back out the front. So these hatches here open sideways, yeah, and the ones in the bedroom open forward. So all the clean air comes in the back into the bedrooms, and all the dirty air or the smelly air goes out the front, yeah. So it's that's why we put the kitchen at the stove at the front, at the bow, and we put the toilet at the bow as well.
Okay.
You can try and force the air in the front. Some boats do, and sometimes it works and sometimes it doesn't. Yeah.
Okay.
You get if you got the scoop at the front, the scoop at the back, they're fighting each other, and depending on which scoop wins, usually the front one, then the smell goes back that way.
Nice.
Anyway.
You show us the other part?
Yes. I'll show you the other side, yeah?
The other side.
Okay. And we have our Zoom plants. So over this side we have our... I'll just turn that off. There, I forgot that. On this side we have our navigation station. It's sort of like the... I'm quite embarrassed, Isabel.
Really?
Yes, well, you did say you were coming, but I would normally have cleaned it up a little bit, yeah? Just a little bit. You did surprise me.
All men say that.
True story. So inside here, we got these are the sliding covers that go over the fronts, yeah? And then we have our, you know, this is the chart table. Yeah, basically it's all the filming equipment just sitting here, you know. So we have the 3D printer where we print up little things, and forward we have our the head, toilet and shower. By the way, all the washing that's in there is being washed.
Oh, really?
It's one of my skills is not folding things.
Okay, let's have a look. Oh.
So front opening washing machine, we have yeah, and around, and it's the only door in the boat, because when you pull your pants down you want to feel safe, yeah?
Okay.
You don't have a door in your bedroom, Isabel.
It's fine, Captain. I have the curtains.
You have a curtain, yes, but on mine you don't have a curtain. So basically this is the owner's cabin side.
Ah.
So the curtain's not on there. You just have to, yeah, anyway, you'll work it out. And this is my room. So come through and have a look. Watch out for the vacuum cleaner. All the important things, kite boards. Come on into my room, Izzy. Okay, so we have a toolbox for the toys.
Yes.
Yeah, we have the bed that never made.
What is those plastic bags over there, Captain?
The plastic bag. Okay, so this is our survival rations.
What do you mean survival ration?
The respirators and stuff for the.
Oh my gosh.
For the bug if it gets here. We get one on each side. Okay, and then we have down here's our escape hatch in the step, and you can go underneath there and you might be able to see the foils a little bit more, yeah? Maybe not.
I can see the other side.
Okay, yeah. So we've been in the water 6 weeks with the and that scum you see on the waterline is we had a lot of rain and it's washed all this slime down. So it's actually 6 weeks ago that was actually clean, you know. But now we've got this massive slime on the waterline, which is a job for you, Isabel.
Thank you, Captain.
So Isabel, do you think you can sort of make this boat ship shape?
Oh yeah, definitely. I will do my best. And
it's a bachelor pad at the moment. We haven't had any crew on board for quite some time, and I've been working way too long, as you can see. And there's like, if you look everywhere, there's dust. Yeah,
yes.
There's dust everywhere, and it's just paint dust. It's not itchy dust. It's not bad dust, but it's a mess, yeah. So I really appreciate you coming down and joining the crew and helping me get Charlie ready so we can go filming and enjoying our
definitely and you can finally teach me how to sail and teach all our viewers how to sail.
Yeah, so with the idea, I love teaching. That's my passion, is teaching and Isabel loves to learn, she really does. So basically what we want to do is I want to teach Isabel how to sail, and through Isabel learning how to sail and how to keep the boat ship shape and how to dock it and how to do all the maintenance, I want everybody else to learn how to do it as well. So the key to what we're doing with Isabel is a learning experience so that she can actually buy a boat and go sailing on her own. It might take a couple of months. It might take a couple of months, it might take a couple of years, it might take decades, but I think Isabel's a very quick learner, and I think the viewers are very quick learners, and we try and teach as much as we can without it feeling like school.
Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you enjoy the video. Don't forget to subscribe, like and comment the video, and I will see you next time for new adventure.